Hey YouTube, Full Metal Fab coming at you. Long time no see. As you can tell, it's winter time. And I'd say that's a good excuse to start a new project. Even though I've already got enough projects on the go. Everything else I have kind of on hold because I don't have the machines to do a lot of work that I want. But besides that, new project. This is a Gravely. I never really got much into Gravely's before. I had a 812, probably, geez, would have been like 6 or 7 years ago. Ended up trading that thing off. Kind of pissed myself off because ended up being not much wrong with the thing, but I managed to pick up this Gravely 342, no engine. Along with a couple parts Model L's. I think the one's a convertible, the other one's an LI. They're completely locked up. They're probably just going to be parts machines, but focus of this video is the 432. So no engine. Power plant already been decided. I have got a Yanmar L100 clone, or if you're going to go look the thing up on Amazon or eBay, it's a 186F air-cooled diesel engine rated at like 10 horse, and it is currently all in pieces at my work right now, and I have taken the crankshaft over to the machine shop because these things, not like your traditional garden tractor, the engine bolts up to the transmission in the rear end. So I've got the adapter plate and the rear planetary assembly. Your high and low range is actually the planetary right here, and shifting it from high and low also changes your PTO output, which is really weird. But besides that, engine half, I have to get the crank machined to accept a stepped gear that engages in the 2-speed planetary set that goes back here. So that is the current project. And also, because I'm using the Yanmar clone, the mounting bolt pattern, so it does have like 4 different bolt patterns that you can choose from. The adapter plate that would have been on this thing, which would have been for the 14 horse Kohler, would actually bolt up to the larger of the bolt holes, but then you'd have to have a plate machined or gob the entire opening on the backside of the casting with silicone so it wouldn't leak, because your engine kind of keeps all your transmission oil in. But the less work involved route would be to find a 8 horse adapter plate, in which a guy that I found on Marketplace actually hooked me up with this tractor, the parts machines, and a 8 horse Kohler with the adapter plate and the gear I needed for this machine. So phase 1 on this project is get the diesel engine on this thing and make it run. So phase 2 may involve a turbocharger. Phase 3 may involve the second 432 that I have that's down by my shop all in pieces. So next time you guys see this thing, it should be in my shop with all the controls and everything, because everything on this tractor is locked up solid. So it needs work. Oh, cool thing I found out about these 400 series, you got a brake pedal on this side. You have a brake pedal on this side. And this lever right here is your forward and reverse, because it goes down to a whole bunch of linkages and junk. And yeah, so 400 series transmission has 4 forward gears and 4 reverse gears. You've got that high-low planetary in the back that I showed you, plus can I see it? Oh, this little spring, oh, there we go. This little spring thingy right here goes to this linkage up here, which goes down to that linkage right there. And it goes into what's called the Swift-O-Matic, which is a 2-speed differential. The differential in these things has 2 sets of spider gears. So the first set is your typical differential, and then the second set, when they're locked, you're in high range in the Swift-O-Matic. And when you have the, what is it, you lock the carrier to the case, or you lock one of the gears to the case, and it puts the Swift-O-Matic differential into low range. So yeah, another cool thing that I didn't know about these until I actually started looking into it. So yeah, enough talking. I need to get this thing into my shop, which is your typical catch-all for the fall, so yay. And yeah, rip everything apart, get everything all freed up. Paint and aesthetics we're not too concerned with until everything's all finished, and that'd be after phase 3. So we'll just call phase 4 paint, if that works. Oh, and I'm going to try and find a way to add 800 series hydraulics to this, because the 400 series never had that option, but the 800 did. I just need to find a way to connect the pump to the motor in the back. So yeah, rambling, cold. Later, YouTube. Bonus clip. This is my 1970 Gravely Custom Convertible. I picked this up over the summer for 150 bucks with the mower deck that's over there in the snowbank. And quick carb clean and a quick mag clean, and